Alright, I finally found this sweet game trail about halfway down. So I'm gonna take it and see if we can't get down this a little bit easier. It's been quite a trip. I left Chloe back with Jenny, and apparently she decided that she wanted to come. So right after I left, Jenny let her out of the truck, and she ran off in the direction, I'm assuming in the direction that I was traveling. So had to go back and try to assess whether or not she was really lost. But Jenny got her back, so good news. All right, I'm gonna trek down the hill. Let me show you what that looks like. We're just about in the bottom, so let's get down there, do some fishing. I got down here and got my tie rod put together. So I'm gonna set up the camera. I'm gonna go down there in that pool and see if I can't catch Jenny a fish. Wish me luck. I didn't catch a fish, and I got about a half hour to hike out of here, so I got to get a move on before Jenny leaves me. So that's all for now. Cheers.